boat and put it bucket, and afterwards I am putting 10 stones. How it will handle? Then take a square paper, fold into 4 sides. Afterwards fold like this. Now my boat is prepared. Let's go and put in the bucket. Now my boat is ready. I am putting boat and putting stones. Today's activity is density experiment with orange. First take a bowl or glass. Now I am taking big glass and fill water in it. Then put a orange. See, it floats because the reed is very porous and filled with tiny pocket of air. Now I have peeled the orange and I am putting to water. See, it sinks. Why the peeled orange is sink means because it has more dense and sinks in the water. Thank you. Hi, today's activity is density tower. First take any dish soap like Vim or Pril. I have taken here Vim and sugar syrup and glass, honey, cooking oil, water. First take glass and pour honey. And then put sugar syrup. Slowly we have to pour. Then pour dish soap. Water. Afterwards cooking oil. Then leave 30 minutes after, see what happens. All the different layers must have different densities. Liquids can pour down the sink or save in a large. Now I have left 30 minutes and see, like this it has happened. Thank you. Hi, today I am going to show the simple experiment. First take a teacups or any tumblers and fill the equal amount of water. For first any glass, put a soil, put a salt. Then put chalk powder. Afterwards, I have put it for 1 glass milk. Now, after 2 to 4 minutes, observe what happens. And now when I put the salt, the sugar dissolves. And the chalk powder also settles in down, and the soil also settles. And the oil is floating on tumbler or glass. The milk is mixed with water. Now observe, for after 2 to 4 minutes, the soil settles in down and the and the salt dissolves in water, that gives salt solution, and the oil is floating on water. Then the milk, 1 spoon of milk is mixing with water. Then the chalk powder is settled on the down. Thank you. Hi, today I am going to show the experiment of atmospheric pressure from a straw. First take a glass and fill the food color in it. Then take a straw and press in the middle. When the finger is lifted, the pressure of the air acting at the both ends of the liquid in the straw again become equal. The pressure acting on the water from above is higher than the below. So gravity pulls the water and the atmosphere pushes the liquid in the glass up and down into the straw. This process is called atmospheric pressure from a straw. Thank you. Hi, today I am going to show the experiment of straw bottle siphon. First I have take a empty bottle and I have make the hole at the top and the cap. And then I have take 2 glasses or teacups. Then for one I have filled ink color and next normal water. First remove the cap and then fill normal water. And then put the cap. Now invert it. Hold the ink water. See, it is coming from the white straw. The pressure acting so the water below is higher than the from the above. This pressure will push up the water and keep it from falling down. So gravity pulls the water, and when the finger is lifted, pressure from the air acting at both ends of the liquid in the straw again come equal. This process is called atmospheric pressure from a straw. Thank you.